How do you type on a curved line? Well, that's pretty easy, and I'm about to show you how. You can either go over here to the left and get the arc tool, which is under the line segment tool. It will be selected, so right click on the line segment tool, click arc tool, then you have the arc tool selected. Then what you do is go to your artboard, click and drag until you get a curve that you want or an arc that you want. And mine, I will put a stroke on it just so you guys can see it better. Then what you do is grab the type tool, not this type tool, but if you right click on the type tool, you'll see all these other options. What you want to do is click type on a path tool, and then once you do that, what you do is click on the path, which is your curve, and then you'll be able to start typing. Now the curve does disappear, so what you want to do if you want to keep that line there, some people don't want to keep that line there, but if you do, then just hold Alt, click on the arc or the curve, then drag it away, and then you will make a copy. Then you could just drag that right on top again. So there's two of them here, but one of them will be invisible when you use the type tool. So again, grab the type on a path tool, click on the curve, and then you'll be able to type whatever you want, like hello, but see the other line gets in the way. I'm just going to type a lot of random stuff. That other line stroke gets in the way. You can move it just a little or the text up if you want to. Move that a little to the side so it looks better. And you could just make this stroke smaller. Then there you go, you have the text in the same way as the curve is going. But instead of using the arc tool, if you want to make your own curves or own arcs, what you can do is select the pen tool, click one spot, click another spot, make sure you still have the mouse button pressed in, and then what you want to do is drag it so you have these handles. You pull them out, then you can make a curve that you want. If you want it like that, whatever you want. And then once you find what you want, just release the mouse and you'll be right here. It will have another line connected to your mouse. And what you can do is just click one other tool, like the selection tool, and then it gets rid of that. And now you have your curve. If you want to make a copy of that so you can put text right on that, you can grab the type tool on a path, and then you can type whatever you want right here, and it goes all around a curve. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when these helpful tutorials go up. You can share this video too with anyone you know that might be interested on how to do this. I hope you have a great day, but until my next video, goodbye.